name is Ryan Honary and I'm 13 years old. I really love animals and especially the environment, and I feel that previous generations have really harmed our planet, and I feel that it's my generation's duty to help clean the planet up and make it a more livable and cleaner place. I was in Arizona when suddenly on the TV I saw the devastating campfire, and the hills that were being burnt looked just like the hills that were right behind my house.
Ryan was terrified. He was like, oh my God, I want to call my mom. And unfortunately it wasn't close to us, but it's a very real issue. And I think it raises a lot of questions on these kids' minds that, as adults, it's almost like we accept these things, but for them, they immediately start thinking, this stuff bothers them more. They want to find solutions to them, then they start reading about it.
So then I did some research and found out that all current solutions didn't provide early detection and suffered from timeliness of response. That's what led to the creation of my project.
The digital economy is opening new doors for students. But to be successful, they must acquire 21st century skills. At TCS, we recognize that young people need to be prepared for the future. Ignite My Future is helping educators teach computational thinking, which enables students to solve real-world problems in science, math, social studies, languages, arts, music, and physical education.
I think it's a great tribute to Ryan that the Office of Naval Research gave Ryan a Small Business Innovation Request grant and suggested that he follow his passion. I think it's really important that TCS create opportunities like this for young men and women to harness their drive for new technology and to come up with great ideas. The Navy is a great customer for new technology. Science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM, is something that the Navy depends on to drive new technology and give it that edge.
I'm just so grateful to TCS that what they are doing, because our American STEM education is kind of like going down, and they try to promote and bring all these students back. So I am very grateful to TCS.
Computational thinking is just part of our everyday lives now. From programming our refrigerators to cooking in the kitchen, to trying to solve tomorrow's problems. It's just part of everyday life at this point.
He was always a curious boy towards planet, towards environment. They helped a lot. He is where he is because of all the mentoring. He was a lot more motivated to finish this. He even told me that, Mom, I need to finish my product. I have to help our planet. And it all came from the whole organization.
The availability for students to have access to computational thinking curriculum and materials and ideas, I think that's really, really important. And it's definitely going to be key to our success in solving tomorrow's problems, whether geopolitical or global warming or what have you. The more access we can offer, the better.